Good morning, children. So, in continuation of the previous topic, we are here taking up aerobic respiration. So, you recall that the glycolysis I am showing here in this chart, that the glucose has undergone glycolysis in the cytoplasm and two molecules of pyruvic acid are formed from one molecule of glucose. Now, if to this pyruvic acid oxygen is not available, then it will undergo anaerobic respiration. This is of two type: lactic acid fermentation and alcoholic fermentation. This we have all done. Now we are here coming to the aerobic respiration. If two pyruvic acid which is formed in the glycolysis, if oxygen is available, then it will undergo aerobic respiration. So pyruvic acid which was formed in the cytoplasm of the cell, now this pyruvic acid will enter into the mitochondria. Here I have drawn the structure of the mitochondria, that it is having its outer membrane and this inner membrane is highly folded. These folds are called as cristae and ground matter of mitochondria is called as matrix. I can label it this way, that this is matrix which is been shown by dot dot, and this is the ground matter, and this folded membrane is the inner membrane. These two parts of the mitochondria are very important, which we are to focus it upon in the next 2 points. So the pyruvate will now, or pyruvic acid is now enter into the matrix of the mitochondria which is present in the cytoplasm. Now what will happen? The pyruvic acid will undergo Krebs cycle. So this is the summary of the Krebs cycle is written in 2 lines, that in Krebs cycle the pyruvate stepwise, from the pyruvate the stepwise removal of hydrogen atoms will be there and carbon dioxide is formed. This is the summary of Krebs cycle, but it is coming in detail in the next topic. Okay, so that I am going to discuss you in detail. So this Krebs cycle takes place in the matrix, and after that the product of Krebs cycle is NADH2, because this hydrogen which is removed is used for the formation of NADH2. Okay, reduced form of hydrogen will reduce NAD to NADH2. So NADH2 which is formed in the Krebs cycle will now enter into the inner mitochondrial membrane, because from the NADH2 the energy will be released, and once the from the NADH2 energy is released, while the electron will pass on from one electron acceptor to the other electron acceptor. So there is a assembly of electron acceptor on this inner mitochondrial membrane, and all those enzymes which are required for the formation of ATP from the NADPH2 and all those electron acceptor are lying on this inner mitochondrial membrane. So the next step of aerobic respiration which takes place on inner mitochondrial membrane of the mitochondria is called as electron transport system, in which the synthesis of ATP takes place, and ultimate electron acceptor is actually the oxygen. As we always say that aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen, but in aerobic respiration oxygen is used in the last, and the electron which was passing from one electron acceptor to the other electron acceptor, ultimately that electron passes to the oxygen, and ultimately the water will be formed. That I am going to discuss you when it is coming in detail, and synthesis of ATP takes place. Okay, so this is the summary of, you can say, the next 2 steps of aerobic respiration which takes place in the matrix and inner mitochondrial membrane of the mitochondria, and which is called as Krebs cycle and electron transport system. These all things are written here, that in the matrix the Krebs cycle takes place, and in inner mitochondrial membrane of the mitochondria the electron transport system takes place. Now Before entering to the Krebs cycle, the pyruvate will undergo in the matrix of the mitochondria only, the pyruvate will undergo oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate takes place in the presence of enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase and in the presence of magnesium ions, and also there is a need of participation of NAD and coenzyme A, and here this NAD is reduced to NADH2 and ultimate result is acetyl coenzyme A and carbon dioxide is also removed. So this whole which is written in these 3-4 lines is being compiled here in the form of equation that pyruvic acid has entered into the matrix of the mitochondria. It is undergoing decarboxylation because carbon dioxide is removed and the participation of coenzyme A and NAD is there in the presence of pyruvate dehydrogenase and magnesium ion, and acetyl coenzyme A is formed and NADH2 is obviously formed because it is oxidizing. So the NAD is reducing to NADH2. So here 2 NADH2 will be formed. Once 2 molecule of pyruvic acid will be used, 2 pyruvic acid are formed in glycolysis. So 2 pyruvic acid will form 2 NADH2 when it will undergo oxidative decarboxylation. But this equation is written by using 1 pyruvic acid. So 1 NADH2 is formed, but once 2 will be there, then 2 pyruvic acid will be formed. Now this acetyl coenzyme A, which is formed here, will now enter into the Krebs cycle